In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create high-paying niche content that can generate serious income. The finance channel we're analyzing earns approximately $15,000 per month, and I'll break down and replicate its content. Style step by step, from scripting to visuals, so you can learn how to produce high-quality viral videos without ever showing your face. If you follow along and apply the same strategy, you'll be able to launch your own channel in a profitable niche and start building a powerful digital asset. Let's dive in. Now, we will generate the full video content using ChatGPT.com, starting with the script. First, we'll create the audio script by giving ChatGPT a prompt based on the topic and niche we're targeting. This script will be engaging, informative, and structured for maximum viewer retention. Once the audio script is ready, we'll also generate a scene-by-scene script that outlines the visuals needed to match each line of narration. This helps us plan the video flow and ensures every part of the voiceover has a matching visual. By using ChatGPT for both the voice and visual directions, we streamline the content creation process while maintaining a professional quality. Now that we have our script ready, the next step is to paste the text into CapCut.com to generate the voiceover. We'll start by creating a new project and adding a text layer. Then we'll paste our script directly into the text box and use CapCut's text-to-speech feature to turn it into high-quality AI voice audio. This tool allows us to choose different voice styles and tones, so we can match the mood of our content perfectly. Once the audio is generated, we'll adjust its timing to match the video scenes and prepare everything for the final edit. Now, we will use a text prompt to generate a custom scene with Leonardo AI, a powerful AI tool that transforms words into stunning, high-quality visuals. Now, we'll move on to editing the scene using CapCut. This step involves fine-tuning the visuals by adding audio, sound effects, and transitions. We'll also adjust the cutscenes to ensure smooth flow, making sure each element complements the overall mood of the video. With CapCut's intuitive interface, we'll enhance the visuals with effects, sync the audio perfectly, and polish the content to make it engaging and professional.